Hello friends, welcome to all. Today here we discuss the subject of electrical circuit analysis. In this subject, here we start the topic of a three-phase circuit. In the previous video lecture, we discussed the various points related to the circuit analysis. In the circuit analysis, we previously discussed the addition, subtraction, multiplication and division rule for the waveform and how it is performed of the circuit. In this video, we discuss the topic of electrical circuit analysis, three-phase electrical circuit analysis. For the three-phase circuit analysis, we start with the definition. We know that the system which has a three-phase, the circuit will pass through the three wires. Here, the three will be neutral wire and one passing of the fault current on the earth is known as a three-phase system. I repeat, the definition of a three-phase circuit. The system which has a three phases, the current will pass through the three wires and there will be one neutral wire for passing the fault current to the earth is known as a three-phase system. In other words, the system which use the three wires for the generation, other words, the system which has used three wires for the generation, transmission and distribution is known as a three-phase system. This three-phase system is also used in a single-phase system if one and other phases of the neutral wire is taken out from it. The sum of the line current in a three-phase system is equal to 0 and their phases are differential and the angle between them is a 120 degree. Here the angle between them is a 120 degree. The three-phase system has four wires. The three circuit carries the conductor and one it is the neutral as we discussed in previous. The cross section are of the neutral conductor is half in a live wire. The current in the neutral wire is equal to the sum of the line current and three wires are consequently equal to the root 3 times and the zero phase sequence component to the current. The three-phase system has several advantages like required fewer conductors as compared to the single-phase system. It also gives the continuous supply to the load. The three-phase system has a higher efficiency and also it is a minimum losses. The three-phase system is included in the generator which gives the three-phase voltage and equal magnitude and also in frequency. It provides the uninterruptible power and therefore if one phase of the system is disturbed then the remaining two phases of the system continuous supply to the power. The magnitude of the current in one phase is equal to the sum of current in other two phases of this system. By using this theory, we draw the three-phase waveform. For the three-phase waveform, here we draw the simply method for the three-phase waveform. First of all, we draw the x and y axis for this system. For the simplicity, all of them is clearly understood for this method for the perfect three-phase waveform. First of all, for the three-phase waveform, we draw the triangular for this three-phase waveform. It is a simple method. Now we connect this point and this point. All these point are connected with here, these point are connected with here, and also this point are connected with here. As the same way, this point connected with them, this point and this point are connected with here, and here it is a line, this direction and this direction. For the connection of them, it is like here. Now this is easy method for the, here it is a x-axis and this is a y-axis. Here this waveform, for the clearly explanation, we draw the here the scratches line of them for the x-axis, and for the simplification we draw the this line as a round shape. So for the x-axis and y-axis, there are the R, Y and B three phases of this waveform. For the R waveform, here it is the R phases, this is a Y phases, and this is a B phase waveform. It is a simple method to for the draw the three phase waveform for the perfect system. In this waveform, the angle between them, it is a 0, this is 90 degree, this is 180 degree, and this is 90 degree, this is 180 degree, this is a 270 degree of them. The 120 phase difference of the three phase is must be proper working of this system, otherwise the system becomes a damage. The types of connection of this three phase system will be two ways, the star connection and other words it is a delta connection. Now we discuss the detailed explanation of the star and delta connection. Now for the types of connection, as we discussed, there are the star connection and there is a delta connection. For the star connection, it is a star connection. The star connection requires a 4-wire in which there are the three phase conductors and one it is a neutral conductor. Such type of connection is mainly used for the long distance transmission because it has a neutral wire and a neutral point. Neutral point passes the unbalanced current to the earth, hence it makes the system will be balanced. For the simplification, we draw the star connection. It is a one phase, there is a second phase and there is a third phase of the system. It is a L1 line, it is a L2 line and it is a L3 line. This point it is a neutral. For the neutral it is a N point and name it is neutral. For the load it is connected between any two phases, first with a connection of L2 line, and it is a connect with a neutral wire. So it is a, we say that it is a load 1, and it is a 230 watt. The second one it is a line L3 and L2, it is load 2. There is a voltage between them, it is 440 watt. It is a simple star connection of a three-phase system. The star connection requires the four wire in which there are the phase conductor of neutral with them. Such type of connection is mainly used for the long distance and the transmission because of the neutral point. The neutral point passes the unbalanced current to the earth, hence make the system will be balanced. The star connection of the three-phase system gives the different voltage. The voltage it is 230 voltage and 440 voltage. The voltage between the single phase and neutral it is 230 watt, and the voltage between two phases is equal to 440 volt. They are shown in this figure. Now we discuss the delta connection. Delta connection. For the delta connection, first of all we draw the three-phase delta connection. L1, L2 and L3 line, and it is connected with a delta point. The delta connection has a three wires and there is a no neutral point. The delta connection is shown in this L1, L2 and L3 line. The line voltage of the delta connection is equal to the phase voltage. The connection of the load of the three-phase system, it has a load of the three-phase system may also connected in a star or delta. The three-phase load connected in the delta and star, we draw the line between them. For the delta connection load and for the star connection load, we draw the figure of them. First of all, we draw the three-phase delta connected load. It is a load Z1, impedance Z1, it is a Z2, and there is a Z3. For the load purpose, it is maybe resistive, inductive or capacitive. For the simplification, here the common load it is known as a Z1, it is a Z2 and there is a Z3. The phase between them it is a R phase, it is a Y phase and it is a B phase of them. The current of the R line it is a IL current common and line current, and it is a load between them, it is a phase current, it is IPH, the common current of them. The voltage between two phases, it is a VL, and uh, load voltage between them, it is a VPH, phase voltage and phase current. This figure, it is known as a three phase load connection in delta. Now we draw the three phase load connected in a star form. For the three phase load connection in the star form, it is here the load of connected, it is them, it is a star form. This is a Y phase, it is a B phase, and there is a R phase. For the load, I previously discussed as the same, there is a inductive, resistive or capacitive load. So common load, we write there is a Z1, it is a Z2, and there is a Z3. The phase voltage and line voltage, it is VL between them, it is Y, and B phase voltage between them, it is VL, and phase voltage there is a VPH, it is a phase voltage, and line current, it is known as IL, and phase current, it is known as IPH. Here it is a neutral for the three phase star connection load. Here the current, it is also passes in a IL, and there is also IL current. So this figure is represented as a three phase load connected in a star. The three phase load may be balanced or unbalanced. If the three load Z1, Z2 and Z3 has the same magnitude and phase angle, then the three phase load is said to be balanced load. Under the balance condition, all the phases and line voltage is equal and same magnitude. So it is a three phase circuit analysis. There is a star connection and there is a delta connection, and the load of the star connection and other, it is a delta connected load of them. For the more simplification of the three phase circuit in the three phase system, we know that the almost all the electrical power generation and most of the power transmission in the world is the form of a three phase AC circuit. The three phase AC system consists a three phase generator, transmission and transmission line and load. These are the two major advantages of the three phase system over the single phase system. First of all, more power of the kilogram of the metal of this three phase machine, it is a more power per kilogram of the metal from the three-phase machine, means the low metal is used to require the transmit more power, and other one, it is a power delivered to the three-phase load is constant at all time, instead of pursuing as it does in a single phase system. The first three-phase electrical system was patented in 1882 by John Hopkinson, British physicist, electrical engineer, fellow in Royal Society. For the generation of a three-phase voltage and current, it is a three-phase generator consists a single-phase generator voltage of the equal amplitude and phase differences. In a previous, we also discussed the waveform, how to generate the R phase, how to generate a Y phase, and how to generate a B phase, and a common waveform of a RYB phases. Of the current of flowing of this system, it is a I. The resistance, capacitance, and inductance, it is common form of impedance. So the value of current, it is a I. I is equal to V upon Z. It is the equation of a current in a three-phase system. There is a current, voltage, and impedance value. Now for the simplification, when we draw the one line diagram of the balance load of the system, the three phases are similar expected in a 120 degree. The phase shift power system are frequently represented by single line showing in this system. The three phase, it is a one line diagram of a circuit. This is a one line diagram for the drawing. It is a simple connection of the star connection. The simple waveform are drawn. It is a load part, and there is also a load connection, load 1 and load 2. It is a generator connected with them, is a star connected. And load, it is connected in a delta form, and it is a star form. Such diagram is used including all the major components of the power system: generator, transformer, transmission line, and load. If we neglect the impedance of the transmission line, the important simplification in the power calculation, it is possible. If the generator voltage in the system is known, then we can find the current and power factor at any point of the system. Following parameters it is considered. First of all, the line voltage at the generator and the load will be identical, since the line, it is lossless. The next one, it is a real and reactive power on each load. The total real and reactive power supplied to the load in the form of the point is examined. The fourth one, it is a system power factor at that point using the power triangular relationship. And fifth one, it is a line and phase current at that point. We can treat the line voltage as a constant and use the power triangular method for quickly calculate an effective adding load of all over the power system and power factor. Now we discuss the next point. It is a virtual coupled circuit and dot conversion coupled circuit in a next video lecture. Thank you.